Look at my nose. That red right there. That's real. No filter. Now watch. A little green, barely any. Tap, tap, and it's gone. No extra foundation. I didn't cover it. I canceled that red. You already know the other way. Foundation on, smoothed out, even for about a second. Then the red comes back. So what do? Add more foundation, and now we're cakey and red. And I know this because I did it for years, and it is not your technique. So I want to welcome you back to Spicy Undertones, the why behind every fix for tan, brown, and deep skin. Quick theme, because it explains everything I do here. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm 61. I spent 20 years as a professional colorist fixing unwanted color. Same color wheel, a different canvas. So guess what? Your redness isn't on your skin. It's under it. And foundation is see-through. That's not a flaw. That's by design. It's supposed to even the tone. It does not erase color. So piling it on just gets you cakey and red. So remember, more is never the answer. The rule never changes. Opposites cancel. Red's opposite is green. And here's the part everybody gets wrong. It goes underneath. Green should go first, your foundation second. So the green, it doesn't matter whether it's a stick, liquid, or cream, a little will go a long, long way. And this is not war paint, and don't mix it in. Redness isn't even, so we have to spot treat this. Just the red. Look at this nose and cheek. Thin layer of green. Tap it. Don't rub it, because rubbing will lift it right back off. Now watch the red. It just goes quiet. See that? The red's gone and I haven't touched my foundation. That's just the green. Normally your foundation goes on top. One thin layer and the green disappears under it. No green face. One warning, stay out of that crease beside your nose. Green plus foundation plus a crease is a line by lunchtime. Ask me how I know. Same spot before and after. Red glowing through and after the green. Same light, nothing added, but a whisper of green. That's not more makeup, that's green doing the quiet work. Now, I've got one face, and this channel is for 3 depths. Same redness reads differently when you go deeper. Pink on tan, brick on brown, plum on deep. Green still cancels it, but what changes is the green. On deeper skin, a bright mint goes ashy, gray, and dusty. So you'll have to reach for a green carrying yellow or gold. If you're lighter than me, that gold green reads too heavy, so you have to go softer. Same rule, only the warmth changes. So save this for the next time you reach for more foundation. Grab green instead. And if your problem is your makeup turning orange and not the red, that one's already up right here on the screen. Next time, let's get ready. We're going to tackle those dark circles. And that's the spicy truth. Stay spicy.